Namita saw the bottle in front of her and drank it, thinking it was water. But it was not water. It was pesticide which was kept in the bottle to be sprayed on the plants. Namita had accidentally consumed a poisonous substance. Seeing Namita's condition, her mother rushed to get salt water. She thought making her vomit would be the right thing to do. But that was completely the wrong step. Instead of helping, it could cause more harm. Today's topic: First aid for poison ingestion. Poison, a substance that causes temporary or permanent harm to the body after ingestion. Harm means injury, illness, or even death. Poisonous substances can include medicines, toxic food, kerosene, cleaning agents such as phenyl or acid, or even chemicals used to kill cockroaches or rats. The type of poison ingested and its quantity determines how quickly and what type of effect it will have on the victim. Common symptoms of ingesting poison: nausea or vomiting, stomach cramps or ache, burning sensation in the mouth, throat or stomach, difficulty in breathing, dizziness, drooling or foaming at the mouth, shivering, loss of consciousness, not understanding things or understanding them late. Sometimes seizure may be experienced. Sometimes a bad breath can indicate that the victim has ingested poison. Let us see how to provide first aid in case of poison ingestion. Stay calm and quickly check the condition of the victim. If the victim is conscious, ask them what did they eat or drink, how much did they eat or drink it, when did they take it, and how they are feeling. Ensure the victim is in a comfortable position. Call the doctor. Inform the doctor of the situation and get instructions. If the poisonous substance is near you, check the name and quantity of the poison yourself. This information will be helpful to the doctor. After this, take the victim to the hospital immediately. Also, carry the poison with you. If information about the poisonous substance is unavailable, do not waste any time and take the victim to the hospital. If it is not possible to take the victim to the hospital, call an ambulance. Inform clearly on the call that the victim has ingested poison. If there is difficulty in breathing or the victim is dizzy or losing consciousness, place them in the recovery position and monitor their condition. If the victim is unconscious, lift the chin slightly and tilt the head back. Check breathing. If the victim is not breathing, start CPR without delay. Keep performing CPR till the ambulance arrives or the victim starts breathing. Do not attempt mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Carry a sample of the poisonous substance with you to the hospital to help with the treatment. Few more important things. Do not give the victim of poisoning anything to eat or drink. Do not make the victim of poisoning vomit. This can cause the poisonous substance to go into the windpipe and harm the lungs. Precaution is better than accident. Store poisonous substances carefully. Keep poisonous substances and medicines away from the reach of children. If a loved one talks about suicide, take the matter very seriously. Learn first aid. Be alert.